Hi everyone, I thought I would show you another little order that I have brought today. This one is from, I have to apologise, I get glitteronthewall.com, and this is roughly £25, 65 pence worth of stuff with the postage added. So I got this really cute printed Christmas pattern, as you can see. How lush is that? I really liked it. It was really cute and a bit different to some of the ones that I've seen out there. So I really like that one. And then I got these two here. They're both Halloween, but they glow in the dark. I can't show you at the moment unless... Can I do it if I turn this off? I'm not sure if it's quite dark enough. I tried. I will see if I can actually show you how to show you the difference when I can get that to glow, but they basically glow in the dark. So I've got these two versions. So I've got this bones and like the cute ghosts with the pumpkins, and then this one is like the paler version, and again if I can get those to glow in the dark I will do. And then I've got this super cute bundle of glitter fairy ones. So this one was just check for you, yes, it was £13 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colours of the glitter felt, which is really good value because this is normally like £2.50 to like £3.25 a sheet. So like I say, it's really good value for that as well. And I'm going to be making some cute little things with this shortly. So I just thought I'd show you all my little goodies and show you the bits that I've been buying from Glitter on the Wall. They have lots of other different products as well. There's lots and lots for you to buy, and they did have a little bit of a sale on when I made my purchases, as you can see from the bundle that I got with those. So it's worth having a look and checking them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.